Do you have dry skin? Do you want to exfoliate your skin without causing damage or causing redness and without irritating your skin? SEXAPEEL, you guys. Clean face. Stack of paper towels. Spray SEXAPEEL in your hand. There's no grit. There's no chunks. It is a smooth liquid. Immediately start, and it'll drip. It'll get everywhere. You are going to have dead skin cells everywhere. But that's part of the fun. Look at that. Just dead skin rolling right off. Ignore the nails. They look nasty. I need them done. It's gonna happen later. Probably tonight. Take a paper towel, wipe it off. Reveal gorgeous skin. I'm trying to get that to focus. I mean, super gorgeous. I use this all the time, like middle of the week when your skin just feels tired, especially in the winter. Like if you've never done this, I probably did this for 30 minutes straight the first time I purchased it because I did not know my skin could look this pretty. There's a sunburn warning, so just be prepared for that. I've never used it and felt sunburned, but there is alpha hydroxy acid in it. See that? That's dead skin. It's just melting off. Plant-based extracts, taking it off. She formulated this in Japan. It was created by a makeup artist named Sonia Roselli. She's amazing and a genius. She really tries to make products that other artists want to purchase from her. And it's ones that she believes in. Her whole entire skincare line is amazing. So go to her website, look at it. I've tagged it and put a link to purchase in there. But once you start with a clean face, spray it in your hands, put it on your face, let all the dead skin start peeling off. If it clings to the little tiny hairs on your face, get rid of that hair. But you can keep going and they'll eventually come off, or you can go and wash your face. I don't have hair on my face because I take care of that. But I mean, look at that. That's just, I mean, and I've done this probably 4 times. Look at that. You're not gonna hit like tendons and nerves and things. So after you're done with that though, your skin will never have felt this soft. Your hands will feel really sticky because you have used this on your hands. Go wash your face, go wash your hands. You are gonna thank me and you're never gonna wanna use another exfoliator on your face ever again. You're welcome.